In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Wolt Partner app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use Wolt Partner app by downloading it through the Play Store on Android devices, as you can see on screen, or for iOS devices through the Play Store. As long as you have the latest version of the Wolt Courier Partner app on your phone, you will be able to make deliveries and start earning money. So download the app from the Play Store or the App Store and open it up. Immediately upon opening the app for the first time, you will see a brief description of all the features and benefits included inside of Wolt. As you can see, earn money delivering orders for local businesses. You can take your time and carefully read through the description here if you wish, but for the most part, they're just going to highlight the benefits of using Wolt Partner Courier. When you tap next a bunch of times, you will get to this window where you can actually sign in or apply to be a partner. So you can either tap sign in with phone number and input your phone number to actually sign into your account, where you can start making deliveries around any area where you want to use Wolt in, or become a Wolt Courier partner by tapping apply now. You will have to register using your email, phone number, first name as in your passport, last name like in your passport, and then your country. By tapping next, you can finish setting up your account and contact information, and you will be able to choose a zone where you want to work as a courier. So like I said, after you choose the zone, you will get periodically notified for any deliveries for small businesses or to people homes, and you can slide to accept them. There will be an estimate for every delivery that you make, and you will get detailed instructions on where you need to go and the drop-off area. So as you can see this example, you will get this notification with all the information about what you have to do and all the items included in this order. You can double check them before accepting, and after you accept any delivery order, just follow the instructions listed here. Now, getting started is super quick. All that you have to do is apply, like I said, and you will be able to send an application, do an intro session, and sign the contract for you to start working as a courier. Once you make a bunch of deliveries, you will be able to go into your Finances tab, where you can find your cash balance, all the upcoming payments, and you can transfer this outside of Wolt as you need it. If you have any problems inside of your account after you sign up, maybe you have more questions related to the deliveries or orders that you have to make, the support team will be online 24/7 to help you, and you can contact them at any time through the menu inside of your account. Just make sure that you have the latest version of the Wolt Courier Partner app, and you will be good to go to use it on any mobile device. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Wolt Partner app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.